Hello everybody, I am back again. Before we get started, you subscribe to the channel. Today, I am going to cook spicy salt pepper calamari. Okay, I'm going to use 60 grams of capsicum, red and green, okay? And 20 grams of onion chopped like this, and garlic chopped like this is around about 10 grams, okay? Fresh chili, it is optional. White sugar, cooking salt, MSG, Sichuan pepper, Chinese cooking wine, any type of Chinese cooking wine, okay? And the potato starch. And 2 pieces of calamari is somewhere around 350 grams. That's all what I need. Now, I'm going to mix up the ingredient. First of all is half teaspoon of sugar, white sugar. 1 teaspoon of MSG, okay? 4 teaspoon of cooking salt. And this one is important. 2 teaspoons of Sichuan pepper. You can even use in a white pepper or black pepper. It's as you like, okay? If you don't like the Sichuan pepper. Now, mix it up properly. Easy, like this. Okay? You see? Already mixed up, okay? Now, we have to cut the calamari first. Now, how we do it is just go like this. Okay, this one is inside. Okay, clean up like this. 2, 3 gone. Then turn over. Always cut from outside. Okay, not inside. Like this. Turn it again this way. Now it's become like this, okay? Then cut into pieces. You can cut into like this, or just cut it straight also can, doesn't matter. Okay. Same thing this one. Clean up. And turn over. That's it. Now we use what we use is a potato starch. Put a little bit in. Then a little bit of water, mix it up. Now, here's a potato starch again, we put it here. We can put the calamari direct into here and cut up. Or, before we doing this, we can cool it first, okay? How we do it is, cool it first. It's better for you because if going like this, when we do the deep fry, the oil will split out and hurt you, okay? So, I try to cool it first. Okay, now put it in, cook a little bit, even low or high, doesn't matter, as long as you can cool it, okay? See, it doesn't need to be totally cooled. Okay, just cook a little bit is enough. Like this should be okay, alright? Now, drain off the water. Now, it's like this, okay? So, we put the potato starch again. Potato starch is gluten free. It is for thickening the food, and it is also have a positive effect for good bacteria. In another word, is we can use the potato starch to reduce the food poisoning. Okay. Now, if you want, you can put into an egg, crack an egg like this, or just go direct into it. Okay. You can put an egg like this and then mix up. Then come to here. Make sure you mix up all of them. Have to coat with the powder. Okay, now it's ready for deep fry now. So now try to heat up the cooking oil with high heat. You have to wait until 170 degrees for calamari, okay? Now the oil is hot enough already. You can see the smoke coming up. So now you can throw in the calamari. Be careful, don't burn yourself. In case you burn yourself, what can I do? I tell you what. You take the toothpaste and apply on the surface which has been burned your skin. Okay? Now you can see the color is nearly right. Okay? Okay, like this, the color should be fine. And turn off. Heat up the wok with high heat. Put a little bit of cooking oil. Okay, onion. Garlic. Capsicum. And the fresh chili is optional. Okay, then put in the calamari. Then the salt and pepper. Okay, then the cooking wine, optional also, okay? Just put like this a little bit. Okay, that's it. Then put a little bit of spring onion on top, or you can cook it together also can if you like. Okay, like this. Okay. Should I eat it now? Yeah, go for it. I like it. Okay, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Okay, bye bye.